Welcome to the presentation on CSE departmental activities and events under the banner of ACE. The Association of Computer Engineers ACE. It is an association formed in the department of CSE. The Association of Computer Engineers was founded in the year 2009 in order to provide a platform to all the budding software professionals to showcase their talents. The motto of ACE is learning with fun. In order to achieve this goal, many events are organized in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering under the banner of ACE. This provides a good opportunity for the organizers to showcase their management skills while the participants enjoy the privilege of demonstrating their talents. The activities done under the banner of ACE. ACE sponsors guest lectures, workshops, webinars, FDPs by eminent personalities on emerging trends in the field of information technology. Every year, it is the goal of the association to conduct various activities like coding, technical quiz, paper presentation, team building activities, debate competition to improve their interpersonal skills, group discussion to develop teamwork and good leadership quality, box cricket to entertain the students, quiz and aptitude test to keep them updated about external affairs and development happening in information technology sectors. The association committee comprises of the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, all the staff of CSE, association student coordinators. Now let us have a glimpse of all the activities conducted under the banner of ACE. First is the webinar for students on tips and tricks to crack interview, online inauguration program of Association of Computer Engineers ACE 2021, webinar on Vivekvani, Swami Vivekananda's message to the youth, technical talk for the students of Computer Science and Engineering Department, online poster making competition, guest talk on cloud assisted real-time methods for autonomy by Dr. Sridhar D, Cloud Architect, Accenture. First year induction program, online alumni talk on career guidance and opportunities in it by our proud alumni Mr. Saurabh, Senior STET, Honeywell Technology Solutions, Bangalore. Webinar on research funding agencies and how to write a good proposal. Webinar on yoga as lifestyle. Webinar on ML introduction and hands-on for SMS spam classification. Technical coding for the students of 4th and 6th semester CSE. Technical PPT for the students of 4th and 6th semester CSE. Blind coding for the 3rd semester students. Inauguration of the Association of Computer Science Engineers. Guest talk on bridging the gap between industries and institutes. Technical quiz and non-technical quiz for the 3rd semester CSE. Hands-on workshop for cyber security and career guidance on cyber security organized by the Government of Karnataka, KTech, KSEST and IISc. Motivational talk on life skills and career guidance by Mr. Srinivas Balaraju, Smart Coaching Academy. Seminar on Introduction to Computer Hardware and Software. Technical talk on computer networks and basics of internet and its working. Guest lecture on data analytics and machine learning by Mr. Muralidhar Deshpande, CEO, Shraddha Infotech, Belgavi. Guest lecture on cloud analytics by Ms. Rahila Sheikh, AWS Cloud Solution, Architect Proprietor, Cloud Academy. Hands-on workshop on machine learning by Mr. Vaibhav Chavan, CEO, Zeal Code Labs, Belgavi. TCS Tech Bytes competition for the students of CSC. Technical quiz competition. Hands-on workshop on Python programming language by Mr. Vaibhav Chavan, CEO, Zeal Code Labs, Belgavi. Guest talk on data science and its significance by Mr. Prasad Joshi, CEO and founder, Data Sattva, Hubli. Guest talk on SAP applications in data processing by Mr. Sagar Z. Zangruche, Managing Director of CAD Engineering, motivational speaker. Workshop on Python programming language by Mr. Swapnil Patnekar, CEO, Shrestha IT Technologies, Belgavi. Virtual Alumni Meet Samagama 2020. 3 days FDP on cyber security and blockchain technology. 5 days FDP on ICT tools for course preparation, effective content delivery and evaluation. Online celebration of Teachers' Day. Team building activity. Aptitude and general knowledge. Hardware, networking and codix. Pick and speak. Collage making competition. Workshop on digital marketing and Android application development by CFC Software Private Limited, Mumbai. Women's Day celebration. Freshers' Day. Technical treasure hunt, prize distribution. Cricket. Go Green. Skit. These were all the events that are conducted under the Association of Computer Engineers. Thank you.